Welcome to the Explainer. Today we're fixing the ultimate sublimation frustration. Let's dive right in.
So, why does your black ink look perfect on screen but actually print out brown?
It's super frustrating, but here's the secret. It's a total system failure, not just one broken part. First off, let's debunk a myth. Dye-based ink naturally looks brown in the bottle. Totally normal. The real culprits fall into these 6 core areas. Let's diagnose your exact problem. Number 1, extreme heat. High temps actually break black down into its base CMY colors. Overpressing literally turns a print burnt brown. This happens a ton on ceramic mugs too. Next up, ICC profiles. Generic ones, like on a modified Epson, cause severe shifts. You need custom. Remember, sublimation black isn't pure. It's actually a carefully balanced mix of cyan, magenta, and yellow. Did your prints suddenly get stripy? US cutter forums warn this usually means clogged printer nozzles. If cyan or magenta nozzles are blocked, your black immediately shifts to brown or even green. Material matters too. Sublimating on coated cotton washes out brown, but high polyester fabrics stay true black. You can pinpoint the exact failure by checking if issues happen before, during, or after printing. To fix this, tackle heat first. Try lowering your temp by 5 to 10 degrees and reducing time. Next, ensure your ICC profile perfectly matches your ink, and run those printhead cleanings regularly. The bottom line, deep black needs precise balance. It's literally the ultimate system stress test. So, armed with these fixes, which part of your sublimation workflow will you tweak next?